Why do we chant the Shanti mantra thrice? In Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shanti is chanted thrice because peace is desired at these three levels. Adidaivika refers to the suffering due to divine causes that we have no control over, like floods, earthquakes, etc. Adibhutika refers to suffering caused by other beings like humans, wild animals, reptiles, etc. Adhyatmika refers to suffering that is most damaging and long-lasting as we inflict it on ourselves. So, the reason we recite the word Shanti mantra 3 times at the end of the ritualistic prayer is to pray for peace in the face of all the 3 sources of suffering. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.